Super excited to get this in today. This is the new Airweights vacuum system. This is the big one. This is the 2x4. Let's open her up and see what we got. Chase, super cool guy over at Airweights. Very, very well packed. This is the vacuum itself. This thing weighs a pound or two. Set this on the floor. Thing's definitely got some heft to it. It's a very good quality vacuum there. This is going to work out great. It's going to give me a lot of versatility on the 4x4 here. A lot of times I only use part of this machine, and it's usually the front part that I use the most. Nice, nice. Okay, let's look in here real quick. It's probably going to be some directions, some parts, and some power cable. Yep. All right.